Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through both major talking points and features of the exterior and interior. I'll make my way around, I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, and of course once we're there we'll go through some of the major talking points of the interior in a bit more depth. The vehicle is presented in the Estoril blue, and alongside that we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. Alongside that, you'll see at the front of the vehicle is a 2017 17 plate, so it does benefit from the lovely facelift that the 4 Series has had. You'll also see we've fitted the 20-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new themselves, with brand new tyres. Alongside that, you'll see the BMW colour-coded air breathers on the front wings. Down the side of the vehicle, we have got the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance decals. And we'll now move on to take a glance at the interior, which is the black Dakota leather, which matches very nicely with that exterior colour, and again being very nicely presented. Comes with both the electric lumbar and heated seats in the front option. The rear seats for the 4 Series Coupe is the 2x2 seat arrangement with the Isofix and the centerfold armrest and center storage tray. And of course, being the M Sport model, we have the darkened M Sport headlining, which once again gives a very nice ambience to the interior. And of course we'll go through everything else in a bit more detail. So the vehicle is the 420i M Sport 6-speed manual vehicle, so giving a very nice sporty drive, but yet still very efficient in terms of fuel economy and of course space and comfort. At the rear of the car we've got both high gloss diffuser and the matching rear spoiler. Opening up the tailgate will allow us to have a look at just how large that luggage capacity is. Excuse me. You'll also see the nicely presented floor mats, which again, another nice feature on the Coupe 4 Series is the split folding seat option that this vehicle has. Again, further extending that very large boot space. I'll close that down, move around to the other side of the vehicle, where again you'll see how nicely presented this vehicle is, alongside the very striking facelifted rear lights. And again, I'll just take a close-up glance at the alloy wheels before I head on inside the vehicle. Of course, with them all being brand new, they are totally unmarked and set this vehicle off very nicely. Once we're sat inside the vehicle, we'll be able to go through things in a bit more detail and give you a glance at just some of the technology that's inside this 4 Series. You're greeted immediately with the professional wide navigation and media screen, which is currently set on the DAB screen. But you don't just get DAB, you get a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the music collection, USB connectivity, which is situated just underneath the sliding armrest. We've also got Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone, as you can see on screen now. I'll just start the car up and we can go through a few more of the features and functions. At the main menu, again as part of the facelift, they've just given the iDrive a little uplift by segregating all of the menus into little sub-menus. Again, just as a bit of to make things a bit more user-friendly. Moving over to another feature is the Connected Drive Plus the vehicle also has. Connected Drive Plus enables you to have access to online search, news and weather functions, which is a feature which is all powered by Google and utilises the vehicle's own onboard 4G network, which again will not use any of your own data even when a device is paired to the vehicle. The navigation feature for the BMW range is a very, again, user-friendly system. Unlike some manufacturers, this is very uncomplicated and again, a very clever system using real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route at all times. As I've mentioned at the start, it is a 6-speed manual vehicle, which is a very nice manual gearbox in the BMW range of vehicles, again giving that very sporty feel to the vehicle, combined with that 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine up front. We've also got cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, all on this very nice multi-function M Sport steering wheel. This 420i has covered just over 20,000 miles, so again, another nice low mileage example here at Your Next Car. It also has full BMW service history, alongside not needing a service for another 11,000 miles, because of course the service intervals for the BMWs is every 20,000 or every 2 years, depending on what variable service interval. And as you can see there it's had its both first service and the pre-delivery inspection service carried out at BMW. So with all our walk around videos, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. And as always, I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information in the description. You'll also be able to find the vehicle on our website, which will also be linked down below. That way you can find out more in regards to prices and of course all of our fantastic finance options, which you can arrange all in-house or of course all over our website as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. If you do want to stay in touch and of course keep up to date with all of our latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car, remember to click the subscribe button, and that way you can see all of our latest and newest stock here. Thank you very much. We do hope to see you very, very soon. Take care and goodbye.